Hi there, my name is Art, and I know you've been failing or are afraid of starting a business. But I have a business opportunity that you cannot fail at. I'll guarantee that you will succeed. This business is targeted direct mail advertising, just like the Valpak, just like the Red Plum, just like the Clipper magazine, just like the Money Mailer. The only difference is that you don't have to buy a franchise. And my version is better and free for you to start. This business is great. Average incomes are well over $100,000. And it's home-based, and you can succeed part-time, even while working your regular job. On my website, Fun News Franchise, is video tutorials which will teach you this business for free. Before you start, you watch the Start for Free video. It explains how to visit businesses in your area. You tell them you're looking at a newspaper franchise and you'll be mailing your paper to every home in their zip code. And you will have full color ads delivered in the mailbox for 1 cent per home. Basically, just like this. This is the product. You'll be able to sell businesses an ad just like this, which is 3 times the size of a business card, for 1 cent per home delivered in the mailbox. Ask them if they have interest, and then start making your list of interested customers. If you prepare, they should all have interest, because a business card costs 3 cents and it's not delivered. Therefore, they'll all have interest in advertising in your paper. How can they not? It's impossible for them not to have interest in getting into the mailbox of all the homes that are surrounding their business in their own zip code, in the mailboxes. It's impossible to fail at this business, because before you start, or before you invest any time or labor, you'll be able to determine if you're capable of speaking to business owners. They might run out the back of the store when you start speaking. That's why you find out first, for free. That can guarantee your success. You compile a list of businesses, talk to the ones that you know, talk to the ones that you don't know, and you tell them, listen, I'm going to be buying a newspaper franchise. I'm going to be mailing my paper to everybody in your zip code. I'm going to have full color ads delivered in the mailbox for a penny per home. Does that sound like something you're interested in? Meanwhile, you'll line up your customers. In case you do start this business, you'll be ensuring that your success will come quickly. Visit my website, funnewsfranchise.com, and get familiar with the product, and then go visit some businesses in your area And especially businesses that you know, that'll give you some time and that'll sit down with you. Like I said, if you're prepared, they'll all have positive responses for you. They'll all say, sounds great. Come back when you get started. And then you would have found a business that you could succeed at. Now this business, it's not new. It's been around and proven for over 100 years. Targeted direct mail advertising. What's new is that you can do this business without having to buy a franchise. In this case, you got lucky and stumbled on me and this video because my Fun News franchise website has been helping people publish their own profitable newspapers for over 10 years. Some people, they want additional help, and that's how I make money. I offer my services as a consultant, advisor, and help them as they go forward into the publishing business. And I've helped hundreds over the last 10 years, and I can help you too. Well, now you stumbled upon a business that you cannot fail at. You start before you start. And if you don't get favorable responses from the business in your area, then you don't invest any time and labor in this business. Therefore, it's easy for me to guarantee your success. When you have your customers lined up, there's nothing that can stop you from succeeding. The technical knowledge you need is either on my website or on the internet, or I'll be glad to help you, ensuring your quick and effortless success in this business. Selling to businesses is the best thing ever. They never run out of money, and they're always desperate to find new ways to reach customers. They're hungry and they're greedy, and they'll listen to everything you have to say. And when you say the right thing, such as you can deliver their sales message to every homeowner surrounding their business in the mailbox for 1 cent per home, they're gonna wanna be part of it. And strangely enough, even though you're selling at such a low price that everyone signs on, you can get rich in this business. You take in $800 a page, even when you're selling 8th page ads for a penny a house when you're mailing to 10,000 homes. And it only cost you about $250 to print and mail a page. Tremendous profit in the newspaper business. Thousands have gotten rich in this business, and you could also. Now stop wasting your time watching videos, clicking on this one and that one, submitting your email address. This is the real deal. It's a real business, and you can guarantee whether or not you're going to succeed before you start. Isn't that what you've been waiting for? Guaranteed success? Well, here it is. Visit the Fun News franchise and take charge of your future. Don't continue to troll the web, getting nowhere, just killing time. Put your teeth into something real, something like Valpak, Clipper Magazine, Money Mailer, and dozens of other franchised medias which cost $100,000 and have been succeeding for decades. My contact information is on the website. The phone rings in my home. You could troll the internet for decades before you find another legitimate opportunity like this, where the provider actually answers the phone, and no less in his own home. Again, my name is Arthur Gottlieb, and my references are on the website. And I'm hopeful that we're going to speak, and hopeful that you're going to be my next millionaire publisher. And it's doable. Bye-bye.